P11 there for Herlings. Ostlund just ahead of him. So Alvin Ostlund, the Swede, getting ready for his home GP in 2 weeks' time. Remember, we take a 1 week break after this round in Finland because we've 3 rounds in a row. And what a journey it's been to get here from Belgium as well. .48.08. Herlings' best lap time around. Fastest lap though, 1:43.7 for Roman Febvre on lap 2. Herlings' fastest lap was 1:48.08 last time around. So as the race goes on, track getting more and more deteriorated. Again, looking to swing in around the outside that single. Not able to make it happen there, but again he'll go wide in turn 3. Or will he cut back this time? No, he cuts back. Doubles his way through, and he's got Ostlund on the ropes here. The Honda man tries to close him down, but Herlings forceful. Shaking off the rust as he moves into 10th place. Again, Prado, but a distance between himself and